Hi everyone! Today I'd love to bring a little touch of humor on a really serious situation that you might know is really, really dear to my heart, is Lyme disease. So I want to bring the concept of Loto-Lyme, lottery. Do you feel like you've won kind of a jackpot of symptoms, just weird symptoms? It might be headaches, difficulty concentrating, difficulty with your memory, visual problems, um, pains in your throat, in your jaw, in your ears. Maybe your hair is falling off, your skin is getting like really older. Pains everywhere in your joints and your muscles, and they seem to just move around. Palpitations or your heart going fast. Big sweats, drenching sweats, and you're not in menopause or you're not even a woman. Pains in the thorax, in your ribs, difficulty breathing, like you've got this air hunger, like bringing in air the air is not sufficient. Maybe you've got belly pain, difficulty digesting, you've got bloating or diarrhea or constipation. Extreme fatigue, just feeling so tired, you can't do anything. You're not motivated to do anything. Just no muscle endurance, right? Just lifting your arms is just, it's too much. Changes on your skin, rashes, irritable bladder, like you need to go pee quite often. And then maybe with this jackpot, you've been going from doctor to doctor, doing a load of tests, almost choosing from a how do you say, a ruler of tests, and nothing is coming out. The doctors are telling you it's in your head, we're not finding anything, and the final punch is they want to prescribe antidepressants. Does that feel icky? And if you are in that situation, I understand. I've been there, and I've recovered my own health from Lyme disease using natural antimicrobials and just protocols that are really life-saving. For me, that was, and for my clients. So if you recognize yourself in all of this pattern, it's your lucky day. Why? Because this pattern is classical of Lyme disease. And if you didn't know about it before, you didn't know what was happening, I invite you to fill out, like Google the questionnaire from Dr. Horowitz, Horowitz. Right, fill out the questionnaire from Dr. Horowitz and compile your score for predictability of having Lyme disease. And I'm curious if you want to post your score down below this video. I can help you. I really do. I've been helping lots of people with Lyme disease. They've been embracing the same path as I did. I recovered 80% of my normal within 4 months when I applied this protocol and other changes in my life, obviously. It's not just the supplements and stuff. There's help. There's hope. Please connect with me if this is talking to you, if you resonate with this. Please connect with me. It'll be my pleasure to see how I can help you. So it's your lucky day, Loto-Lyme. See you soon.